Welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another video, and today I have a wig from Main Concept, y'all. I bought this wig because the color grabbed me, y'all. I mean, color is so pretty, as you can see, but let me give y'all the details about this one before I get too far in the video. Again, this one is from Main Concept. This is the brown sugar SkinBond lace glueless pre-cut 13x6 HD lace front wig. This is the BSSB211 13x6 glueless 07, and this beautiful color, y'all, is T2 cream latte. I love the color, y'all, and I'm really loving this wig. I'm just gonna tell y'all that up front. As you can see, even in the video, all these faces is unnecessary, but yeah, I was a little excited about this one. But anyway, this is a human hair blend, and it definitely does feel like it is very, very soft. I'm loving the thickness of this one too, y'all. But other details about this one is that it does have baby hairs. They say that is plucked, but y'all, it ain't plucked. They say it's 13x6 tweezer plucked. I don't even know what that means because it's not plucked. Very, very, very little. I'm loving that it does have a durable, breathable, stretchy cap, like I showed y'all in the beginning of the video. And it's supposed to be SkinBond hairline. Y'all, I don't know what that means, y'all. I guess I've been out of the loop a little bit too long because what? It says natural tinted lace. I don't know anything about that either because I did use my makeup, as y'all saw, to make it blend in with my scalp. So yeah, as y'all can see, we don't have too much pre-application, but I'm okay with that because she is very pretty, y'all. I'm loving that. Again, she feels really soft. The density is perfect in my opinion. As you can see, it's not too thick, not too thin, in my opinion, y'all. Again, that color is everything. Also, I didn't get too much shedding or tangling from this wig at all. I guess they gave us enough human hair strands in this one in order to help with that. Usually that's what I like. If I get anything, I usually try to get a human hair blend because it does last longer and it's easier to maintain. And as y'all can see, I did not have to cut the lace off this one. It was already cut for me, which I didn't even have to go in with my scissors to cut more off because I don't know why they just did a good job with it. Usually I would have to go in and cut a little bit more lace off, but I didn't have to do that. I know that we have our favorite brands, Outre and Sensational for the most part, but I do think we should branch out just a little bit because there are a lot of other wig brands that have some good wigs. And this one right here makes me want to go out and buy a few more from Main Concept, especially the human hair blend. So yeah, this is good, y'all. I'm lazy. Y'all already know I'm not going to go and pluck nothing if I don't have to. This one I don't have to. Usually I feel like, in my opinion, if you come out with the baby hairs, but not everybody like baby hairs, so if you do a little bit baby hair and bring them out a little bit more, it helps it to look more natural, in my opinion. And I see these wigs are kind of getting a little bit more expensive. Y'all know I've been going for a good bit, so yeah, I'm looking at these price tags and a lot of them are over $50, $60, even just for synthetics. So one thing I do like about this wig is that it wasn't that expensive. This one was only, I'm saying only, even though, I mean, it ain't just only $44.99 because that's still a decent price tag, especially if you got to pay for shipping and everything. So of course it's going to be over 50. So yeah, still a little bit steep, but better than $60 and $70 for a synthetic wig. And I do have a little bit of human in this one. So yeah. Anyway, y'all, this is what she is looking like. I am a big fan, as y'all can tell. She is cute. What y'all think? Y'all got to get in the comment section and let me know. See y'all in my next video.